Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, if you have some alternative way to sign into your device, for example, fingerprint or face unlock, then use it to access your device and back up all of your device's data either to Google Cloud servers or to an external SD card, and after that perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode. If you want to know how to do that, we have a separate video on a topic on our channel, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. But basically, if you don't need much guidance in order to enter the recovery mode on the smartphone, you just have to turn it off and then hold down the power button and volume down keys until you see the recovery screen. Select wipe data / factory reset. Then, once the factory reset operation is complete, tap Reboot System Now and wait until your device is restarted. Then you can set up your device's account once again and restore all the data that you backed up. Now, if you don't have such an opportunity, you can still regain access to your smartphone. There are three ways that you can do that. The first one I consider the best one, as if you contact Motorola customer support service and tell them about your issue and prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought it, or by using a different way of doing that, they'll be able to recover your account, remove your lock screen password without erasing any data from your smartphone. However, if it's not possible for you, then you can still perform a factory reset operation either through the recovery mode, which I mentioned before, or using a Find Hub service by Google. To use a Find Hub service by Google, you have to get any other device around you that has access to the internet and to which you obviously have access, and open a web browser on it, find this service, this website in your web browser, sign into this website using your Google account, and then once you do that, select the Devices tab, and in Devices tab select your Motorola Moto G10. Now I'm gonna select a different device because I'm currently using Motorola Moto G10, so it won't show me all the settings or all the actions I can perform with it. And now once you select your device here, select factory reset device. This way you'll perform factory reset operation remotely, and once the factory reset operation is finished, you'll be able to set up your account once again and change your password. However, of course, it will remove all data from your device. So factory reset operation, you will erase all data from your device, so you should be aware of it. Now, one last thing before I finish this video. If you do remember your password but your phone won't let you access your system, sometimes this is caused by some interference made by some third-party applications or third-party or background activities, and in order to avoid the influence of background processes on your lock screen, we can launch our device in safe mode. To do that, you just have to hold down the power button for a while, then hold your finger down on the power off option until you see Reboot to safe mode option on the screen, then tap OK and let your phone restart. Then once your phone is restarted, try entering your password in the safe mode, and in case you succeed, in order to drop this password before trying to figure out what application could have caused this, go to Settings, then go to Security. In Security, select Screen Lock, enter your password once again and change it to either none or swipe. Then confirm, and then simply restart your device to the normal mode again by holding down the power button and selecting restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.